Hello guys. So today let's talk about cough, our regular cough now. So something happened yesterday that made me to do this video. A girl met me yesterday morning. She told me asteroid, please I have cough. Which drug will I take? I asked her when it did start. She said just this morning. I told her it's not good to start taking medication immediately. You have to observe, check the reason and the causes of the cough. So for cough, majorly we have two types of cough, the dry cough and the wet cough. The dry cough is caused by virus and allergy. Okay. While the wet cough is caused by majorly bacteria. Okay. This is when you cough out mucus. But for the dry cough, don't cough out anything. That's why it is called dry cough. Okay, so let's talk about the causes of cough. Um, Number one, we have cough caused by bacteria infection. Okay, by bacteria, when you're exposed to bacteria, you are likely, to have cough. While another one is by virus. Virus cause cough. Okay, which we call the dry cough. Why another cause of cough is allergy. Okay, when you inhale or taking something that your body did not accept, you have to cough it out. So during that process of coughing, cough out those stuff that your body did not like. Okay. Why another one is irritant gases, just like such as CO2, smoke. When you inhale them, your body start reacting to them, causing the cough. Okay. Why another one is improper swallowing of food and fluids. Okay, when you take some foods and drink that your body did not accept, okay, improperly, you start to cough. All right. Why another one, which is the most important one, is the blockage of your airways. Okay. When you have a blockage in your airways, your body triggered you to cough. So in that process of coughing, cough out those things that blocked your airways. Okay. Why the last one is cough as a result of pneumonia and bronchitis. Okay, pneumonia is caused by inflammation of the bronchi. So when your lungs is inflamed, your body triggered you to cough and cough out those substances that causes the inflammation. That process you start coughing. So you have to know the reason for the cough before you take any medication. Okay, when you start coughing, just relax, give yourself a throwback, check what did you eat, where are you exposed to, which environment, before you start taking any medication. Because people are abusing antibiotics, any small thing, give me Septrin. Okay, give me Septrin, can no, it's not good. So please understand the causes of cough before taking any medication to avoid antibiotics misuse, which will result to resistance. So guys, please like, follow, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, my Facebook, Twitter, and my TikTok. Thank you, and God bless you. One love.